Listen, okay, this is our like first real time really sleeping with this cat. She is knocked out, but this bitch is farting like bad. Like this heifer is stinking bad. She is just farting, passing gas. Hello. She ate cat food, she ate dog food, she ate rice, and she ate chicken tonight. So she knocked out. She knocked out. Look, she's done for. She's sleeping, but she stink. She farting. She kicked me. Okay. All right. Good night. So there's her family. There's her mom. Maybe they're fed. Let's go see what they're doing. Let's go get closer. Come on. So this is Shadow's family. This is her mother. I call her Luna. This is Vanish. Oh, look how she got her back for me. That's how you make that pussy purr. I haven't given this one a name yet. She looks like, let's call her Borrow. And this is Barillo. Yeah. They didn't make the cut, so they had to stay outside. Be nice to your sister.
Oh yeah, DC dinner is served. He's using his blood.
I think we got a mermaid.
You wanna go on one of those yachts?
This bitch is strong, yo.
It's fuck to just sit there like that. All right, bring yeah.
Give him some line.
Give him some line. A little bit of line. The littlest bit of line you can. Now reel it in. Yeah, just reel it, baby. However you can. Just keep reeling it in. Oh my gosh. I gotta see this.
It's gonna break my motherfucking rod.
It's stuck.
Nah, it's fucking literally gonna break my fucking rod.
I want to see it. Even if it snapped the line, I want to see what's going on. Or just back up.
I'm trying to back up my line so fucking tight. Look at that bitch. That bitch will take my fucking rod, y'all.
Whoa.
Me either, y'all. I haven't fished it forever.
What bait are you using? We're using chicken and shrimp.
Chicken.
It feel like this motherfucker ground.
All right, let's get him up. Respect you. I don't give a damn. Respect.
Let us know.
This one took it. I was like, what the fuck? All right.
It looks small when you put it out.
It's heavier than the last one. I will like gut this, clean it, cook it. But it's okay. Next time.
Real Jamaican style.
Real Jamaican style.
That's because
Yeah,
my
just
meat
make
is
sure
gone.
he doesn't get bit this time.
I got him.
Just let a woman take care of this time.
I got him. But we got them curl hooks. We probably should have got them straight hooks.
Nah, these bitches got them ready to swallow the whole shit.
Ow!
Goddamn Hollandale got this.
This is the sport of a real woman. Sit down. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, this one's fatter than the last one.
Hey, it's not bad. It's big bone.
Oh, this one's not too bad to take out. Bro, give me the towel. Give me that towel.
Gotta reach your hand in there.
Open his mouth.
I'm not gonna burn you with them shit right there. Fry your ass.
Just cut it, please.
For him.
We should have brought pliers.
What the scissors at? Him and the scissors, bro.
Moments later.
hold the pole? Guys, I see these people like lurking in my backyard. They're trying to cut coconuts. I'm about to get me some. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, these. You know, I didn't even have coconuts. Guys, take a picture.